In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of performing back blows and chest thrusts for an infant in an emergency situation. Step 1. Position the infant along your forearm. Gently cradle the back of their head with your hand to ensure proper support. Step 2. Place your other arm across the infant's front to support their jaw. Use your thumb and fingers carefully, ensuring their face is not covered. Step 3. Turn the infant to a face-down position along your forearm. Use your thigh for support and ensure their head is lower than their body. Step 4. Administer 5 firm back blows using the heel of your hand. Aim for the area between the shoulder blades. Keep your fingers up to avoid hitting the infant's head or neck. Ensure each blow is separate from the others. Step 5. Reposition the infant face up. Support their head and neck as you lower them onto your thigh. Keep their head lower than their chest. Step 6. Place 2 fingers at the center of the infant's chest, just below the nipple line. Step 7. Give 5 quick chest thrusts about 1.5 inches deep. Allow the chest to return to its normal position between each thrust, keeping your fingers in contact with the chest. Each thrust should be separate and controlled. Remember to keep the infant's head, neck, and back supported at all times. If the obstruction is not cleared, call for emergency assistance immediately. Stay calm and act quickly. Your response can save a life.